The circumference formula can be written in two different ways. One way is as c circumference equals 2 times pi times r. Or another way is as c circumference equals pi times d. Now let's get into what these variables r and d represent. D equals diameter. D also equals 2 times radius. And r is our radius. Now let's look at our problem. So here's our problem. We need to find the circumference of the small circle. Our formulas just to use as reference, but in our small circle, it is clear that our radius is 7 feet. So our radius is 7 feet, which means that our diameter, which is d equals r times 2, would be, in other words, 7 times 2, which would equal 14 feet. So our radius is 7 feet and our diameter is 14 feet. Keep that in mind. Now let's plug in what we know to our formula of choice. In this particular situation or example, we are going to use the first listed formula. So the first listed formula that we have is c circumference equals 2 times pi times r. So we know that c circumference equals 2 times pi, and our r value, our radius value, is 7 feet, 7. So when we plug that all in, we get c equals 2 times pi times 7. When we take it a step further, we are going to multiply our 2 and 7, which gives us 14, and that's how we end up with c our circumference equals 14 times pi. But we're not done just yet. So I do want to note that pi is a very long decimal. So we're going to simplify that and just write pi as 3.14. Now, if you want to just leave your answer in exact form, then you can leave it with pi and include the pi. If you want to have your answer in estimated form, you can include the 3.14. And I'll show you how to implement that. So, as we had it, c our circumference equals 14 times pi feet. That is our answer in exact form. But if we want to have our answer in an estimated form, we could include our 3.14 into that formula and plug in 3.14 to pi. So that would give us c our circumference equals 14 times 3.14 feet, and 14 times 3.14 is 43.96. And so there you have it. Our two ways of writing our answer for this problem to find the circumference of this circle with a radius of 7 feet would be 1, c equals 14 times pi feet, or c circumference equals 43.96 feet.
Wait, before you leave, go ahead and check out these lessons up above. You can watch this lesson, or you can watch that one, or you can watch both. Oh, and while you're at it, please do me a huge favor and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can do so by clicking out of this video and hitting the subscribe button. Thank you so much. Bye.